Whether you're creating a sign-up form for an event, a membership subscription, or lead generation flow, you want the process to be hassle-free, and you want the form to be both beautiful and functional. So keep watching this video because we want to show you how quick and easy the process could be with Paperform. Welcome to Paperform, I'm Alex, and I'm eager and excited to show you how quick and easy it is to create an online sign-up form using Paperform. But we're gonna make this challenging and we're gonna chuck 2 minutes on the clock to see how quick it is. Firstly, you will need to create an account if you don't already have one, but don't stress because we offer a free trial with no credit card details required. So once in your dashboard, head up to that big, beautiful Create a Form button, select it, and then you can choose one of our templates or start from scratch. Now, let's start creating our sign-up form. What's the most important element in a form? Question fields. To create a question field is simple. You can select that icon there, or we could use the shortcut / commands to view the field and element options. We'll add questions like a name field. We'll also chuck in an email field. I'm going to create a terms of service question and even include an image that will be displayed at the top of the form. Let me just grab that. If you do ever need to move your elements or questions, just select this icon here, drag and place it. Sweet. Now you can configure your questions by selecting the cogwheel icon here. And this is where you change the options for fields like multiple choice question or drop down field. Cool. Let me just quickly chuck in a title for this form and a little header underneath. Easy. Now, to change the look and feel of your form, head over to the theme editor in the top right corner there. Just select it. And it's here that you have the ability to change things like the color of your form. But this is something I really love. The ability to import a theme from another form, keeping my form's branding on point across my account. Now, make sure to explore the theme editor and see how you can customize your form, whether it be the font or the look and feel of your form's buttons. I'll link our theme guide to the description of this video, so check that out. And there you have it. We're done. That's a basic sign-up form built, fast and easy, but we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with Paperform. We can also set up automations to put manual tasks on autopilot directly within the form editor. Connecting our form with our favorite apps from the integrations and webhook tab is a breeze. We can do this to automatically create a new subscriber in MailChimp when the form is submitted or populate a Notion database. We can also navigate to after submission emails in order to create custom emails to send upon submission. We can use the responses from our submitter in order to make the email all the more personal, and even set up logic rules here to define when the email should send. These logic rules can also be applied to your integrations. Now, custom PDFs can also be generated using your form and submission data, and then you can attach these PDFs to your custom emails. As I said earlier, we're just scratching the surface. Now, to see your form's live view at any time, just hit this eye icon in the top right of your screen, and that's where you can run a test submission to ensure that your form is working the way that you want it to. Now, we've designed our form, but we're not done yet. We want to configure what happens when someone submits it. So head to After Submission, Success Pages and Redirects. There we go. And we have 3 options. Numero uno, we can use the default success page and edit the title and the description, which is visible to the submitter, or we can use the redirect and have our submitter redirected to the URL that we input when they hit submit. But I would like to create a dynamic success page. Selecting that, we can just edit directly in here, including an image, or we'll include a GIF from Giphy. You also have the ability to pull in responses from your submitter to create a more personalized and engaging success page. We'll just thank them. Groovy. Sweet. Once you're satisfied with your form's design, you can share it via the URL by going to share up here, a QR code, or directly on your socials. And you can also embed your form onto your web page. And that's it. You successfully and quickly created your online sign-up form. But again, that's only just scratching the surface. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, check out our blog and our help center to learn about the other features offered. And remember, if you can imagine it, you can Paperform it.